It wasn't there early on. Now you can see the heat there's some heat. Yeah, there's a heat wave coming up, and the camera is catching it. You can see that, and it's not the LCD flickering. You see, it's the heat wave, right? So it's 10 minutes coming out to 11 minutes. I'm not sure if they can make this not overheat. I think it's a tough job because it's a sealed-in waterproof design, and they have no idea. There's no way for the heat to come out. The internal package is sealed up, so there's no vents, there's no ventilation. So it's solely based on the external casing for the heat to dissipate. But I can't understand why they don't just put ridges, or grooves, whatever you call them, right, all over, and build up the surface area. If you have grooves, ridges, it's like a heat sink. You build up the surface area and is able to dissipate heat better. Technically, you got double the surface area if you put that, and that would have helped the overheating. At the same time, it gives us grip, so you can hold it. It's got grip there. Currently now, no, because of the surface being smooth. Right, it's down to 12 minutes. So with the screen disabled, it's lasting longer than 10 minutes. Right, so it's, yep, that's the overheating sign, and that's it. Okay, so 12 minutes on with the screen going to sleep disable on and reduce screen brightness. If it's full screen brightness, definitely it won't last, and it will overheat under 10 minutes. So that's all, folks. This is just a quick test on the overheating of the DJI Action 2. Bye.